How to add someone to your Instagram account. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to add someone to your Instagram account. Now adding someone to your Instagram account can be done in a few different ways. So depending on what level of access you want to grant them, here's a general guide on how you can do it. First thing first, go ahead and log in into your Instagram account. Once logged into your Instagram account, it's going to take you to the home page. Right on this page, tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side, and from here go to tab bars and click on settings. Once you tap the settings button, scroll down a bit and go to accounts. So while you're on settings and privacy, here you'll need to go ahead and scroll down right to the bottom. Here go ahead and tap the account center, and after that scroll down right to the bottom and you'll be able to find an option as accounts. Under it, go ahead and tap on add more account. Once you do that, now all you have to do is enter in the username and the password of the account you want to add. So after that, all you have to do is enter in the phone number, either the username or email address, and then the password associated with, and click the login button. After that, the particular user will be logged in into your Instagram. If you want to give full access to your account, you can share your login credential, that is your username and a password, with them. This grants complete access, so be cautious about who you trust with this information. In this way, you can add someone to your Instagram account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.